Good day, my love, and welcome to this guided meditation for when you are going through a tough time and feel down and depressed. Always remember that nothing is permanent. Today may be a dark day, but the sun will always rise. So trust that things will turn around. Trust that great days are ahead, and trust that it will come sooner than you think. So close your eyes and take a deep breath. As you breathe, I want you to imagine that you are breathing in this pure blue light of healing from all around you. Fill your mind and body with this positive, universal light of pure divine healing, and let it reach every part and every cell in your body. Feel the strong vibration as you are inviting this powerful energy into your body. And as you breathe out, I want you to breathe out the sorrow, breathe out the pain, and breathe out the sadness. So inhale healing universal energy of divine love, and exhale negative thoughts and negative emotions. Take control of your body and take control of your mind. Say to those thoughts of self-blame, guilt, and sadness, you are not welcome here. I choose to let go. Because I deserve to be happy. Then breathe in the light and breathe out those harmful thoughts and emotions that have been polluting your mind and body for way too long. It is time to let go. It is time to start over. It is time for a new chapter in your life. And it is time to begin again. So breathe in healing. And as you breathe out, say to yourself, today is a new day. Today is a new chance. And today is a new start. Now in your mind's eye, visualize the life you want to attract. See yourself living the life you want, being the person you want to be, and having the things you want to have. See yourself as abundant, joyful, and happy. Make this your new reality. Tell the universe what you want. As you feel the joy and satisfaction in your heart. Take a moment to simply be in your vision, making your vision clear and making your vision strong. Know that as long as your mind is focused on your goal, the universe will put things into place to help you accomplish it. So trust that life will get easier, and replace all those negative thoughts and emotions with thoughts and feelings of pure happiness and excitement, knowing that something great is on its way. Sustain your vision for a moment and allow yourself to truly feel the joy in your heart. See yourself living the life you want, the life you've always dreamed of, and the life you want to attract. Tell the universe what you want, and feel as if you have already accomplished it. Let your heart be open and allow yourself to feel. So enjoy this moment in your vision, living the perfect life, and living a life filled with so much joy and happiness. So stay in the moment, experiencing the moment, and enjoying the moment. You deserve to be happy. You deserve to have all the things you've always dreamed of. To live the life you've always dreamed of. Surrounded by joy and surrounded by love. So let the universe know what you need. And let this moment replace those negative thoughts with thoughts of excitement, knowing that life is absolutely amazing. Now when you're ready, take a deep breath and then slowly open your eyes. Now continue your day with this joy in your heart, focusing on your vision and focusing on all the great things that lie ahead. Always remember to consult friends and family or a doctor if you're going through a tough time, as they are there to help. You are not alone. Always remember that. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.